Hello students, in earlier video we had learned the decimal representation of rational numbers. Okay. Now in this video we will learn here practice set 1.3, which is based on how to calculate the decimal numbers from your rational number. Okay. Your first question is here, that is write the following rational numbers in the decimal form. We want to write the following rational numbers in decimal form here. Okay. So how to write? We want to divide this 37 to the 9. Okay, how to write this one? That is, put 37 here and 9 here. Yes, tell me, 37 is divided by 9? No. So we want to put here 0 point. When we put a 0 point, then add here 0. Understand? Next, 39 twos are. 39 twos are what? That is 74. 39 twos are 74. Then what is your remainder here? When we subtract 74 from 90, what is your result? That is 16. Okay. Next, you should have to add 0 here. Correct? Because after point, we want to add here 0. Okay. Next. Now 37 fours are, what is your answer? 37 fours are, that is 148. 37 fours are 148. We want to subtract this 148 from 160. Then what is your result? That is what? 12. Okay. Then you should add here 0 because after point here is 0. Next, 37 threes are, what is the value of 37 threes are here? That is 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then put minus here. Then subtract 1, 1, 1 from 120. What is your result? That is 9. Okay. That means this is what? This is repeating, because in first step there is one 9 here present here, and after that 9 is there. What is this? When we subtract here, add 0. Okay, we will study. Okay, here that is add 0. Then what is your result here? That is 37 twos are what? 74. Then subtract this. So 90 minus 74, that is 1, 6. Then after that add 0, means same process repeated here. That means same process repeating. So 2, 4, 3 is repeated. Repeat. Okay. So it is what? It is a recurring, non-terminating recurring what? Decimal form. Okay. So therefore, what is your result here? Therefore, 9 upon 37 is equal to what? 0.243, and this 243 is what? This is repeated. So we want to put here what? Line throughout this number, because this line indicates what? This line indicates 243 repeated. Okay. After that, clear? This one clear? Next question is 18 upon 42. When we divide 18 upon 42, what is your result? First of all, cancel this. How to cancel this? When we divide 18 upon 42 by 6, okay, then 6 3s are 18. Okay, and 6 7s are 42. 6 3s are 18 and 6 7s are 42. Okay, then what is your result here? That is 3 upon 7. Okay, so we want to divide this 3 by 7 here. So write down 7 here and then 3. Okay, then 3 is divisible by 7? No. So put 0 point here, then add 0 here. Okay, then 7 4s are 28. Okay, when we subtract 28 from 30, then what is your answer? That is 2. Then add 0. Then 7 2s are 14. Okay, after that remainder is 6. Add 0. Then 7 8s are 56. Okay, 60 minus 56, that is 4. Then add 0 here. Then 7 5s are 7 5 are what? 7 5 are 35. Then 40 minus 35, that is 5. Then add 0. Then 7 sevens are 49. What is your remainder here? That is 1. Then add 0 here. Then 7 ones are 7. Then what is your result here? That is 3. Okay, means this is repeating. Here 3's occur and starting from here is 3. So this value is recurring, means repeating. 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1. Okay, understand? So this is what? Recurring part. Same process repeated once again. Clear? So therefore, what we write here? Therefore, 18 upon 42 is equivalent to 3 upon 7 and is equivalent to what? 0.428571, and this full term is recurring. So add here bar. Okay, those numbers which are repeated, so add the bar, okay, on the top of that number. So this is your answer. Understand this? Clear? So this is your answer of second question. Okay, next. Okay, next question, 9 upon 14. Okay, so how to solve this? So okay, so write down 14 here and 9 here. Okay, so 14 is divisible by 9? No, so put 0 point here, so and add 0 here. Okay, so here 90. So 14 6 are, what is the 14 6 are? That is 84. Okay, 14 6 are 84. When we subtract 84 from 90, what is your result? That is 6. Then put 0 also here, because after point there is one 0 present. Okay, then 14 4s are what? 14 4s are 56. Okay, when we subtract 56 from 60, what is the result? That is 4. Add 0, because after point is there. Clear? Then 14 2s are, 14 2s are what? 14 2s are 28. Then subtract this 28 from 40. What is your result? That is 12. Add 0. Then 14 8s are, okay, 14 8s are 1 1 2. Then minus sign put here. Then 1 1 2 subtract from 1 0 1 to 0. That is your answer is here what? 8. Your remainder is 8 here. Then put 0. Okay, 8 is there. Then 14 5s are 70. Put minus sign here. 70 minus 80 minus 70, that is 10 remainder is there. Put 0 here. Then 14 7s are what? 14 7s are 98. When we subtract 98 from 100, what is your result? That is 2. What is your remainder? 2. So put 0 once again. Then 14 1s are 14. Okay, then 20 minus 14 is what? That is 6. Means here this 6 and this 6 is repeating. Means what? After this one, the whole term of this one is repeating. So therefore we will conclude here. Therefore 9 upon 14 is equal to 0.642857 and whole term is repeating. Okay, so put bar on the top of that numbers which are repeated. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the question number 3. Clear? Understand? Okay. Next question, question number 4. What is your question number 2? Minus 103 upon 5. Okay, we want to divide this. Okay, so when we divide, no need to put here minus sign during this division. Okay, so 5 as it is, then 103 put as it is. Okay, understand? Then 5 20s are, what is the result of 5 20s are here? That is 100. Okay, and when we divide subtract 100 from 103, what is your remainder? That is 3. So when we divide 5 to the 3, it is divisible? No. So put here point and add here 1 0. Okay. Then 5, yes, 5 6 are what? 5 6 are 30. And then remainder here is 0. Means here is not any value repeating. So therefore your answer is what? Therefore minus 103 is divided by 5 is equal to, put minus sign here now. Okay, minus 20.6, and this is your answer. Okay, understand this one? Next we will study here question number 5. Okay, now question number 5. Okay, what is your question number 5? That is minus 11 upon 13. Okay, minus 11 upon 13 here. So how to divide this? So put here 13 and here 11. So tell me first, 13 is divisible by 11? No. So put here 0 point and add here 1 0. So next concept is what? 13 8s are, yes, 13 8s are 104. 13 8s are 104. When we subtract 104 from 110, that is your result here what? Result is here 6, and add 1 0 here. Then 13 4s are 52. 13 4s are 52. When we subtract 52 from 60, then what is your result? That is 8. Then add 0 here. Next 14. Next 13. How many times? 13 6 are correct. 13 6 are what? 78. Then remainder here is 2. Add 0. Then 13 1s are 13. When we subtract 13 from 20, what is your result? That is 7. Then add 0 here. Then 13 5s are, yes, 13 5s are what? 65. 13 5s are 65. Then after subtracting this, what is your remainder? That is 5. Okay. Then add 0 here. Next 13 3s are, what is the value of 13 3s are here? That is 39. And when we subtract this, what is your result? That is 11. And just observe here, this 11 and this 11 repeating. Means the given quotient is repeating. 8 4 6 1 5 3. This quotient is repeating after the point. So therefore write down your solution. Therefore what? Minus 11 upon 3 is equal to 0.846153. And this full term is what? This full number is repeating. So apply bar on that numbers. Clear? Understand? So all the questions from practice set 1.3 solved here. So note down properly in your notebooks. Okay? Thank you.